Good afternoon, bonsoir. Today we are going to have our new menu, this brand new menu, as finished menu. We're going to start with also some amuse bouche, something to provide for the guest. Then we'll go back to the soup, then we'll go back to the main course. For the amuse bouche, we are going to do some samosa, only what we have. I prepare some dough. This is only the flour and some oil and water, 250 grams of flour, then around 50 grams of oil, then some water, make sure, and you leave the dough to rest. I cook it to bar. I prepare my plate for serving here. I go to serve with the jellied mint fish. If you look our menu before, how we prepare jellied mint fish, now it's coming very thick. It's coming very thick. Then we are going to serve the samosa. We are going to fill up with sweet potato. Yeah, I want sweet potato and kumara. The kumara here, and some sardine. For this, I'm going to serve in sardine box. Yeah, some design. This one is only the lemongrass. That I cut it the rest of lemongrass and I fry it. For some design. Chef must be some creation, some design, something. This is everything. The samosa filling is sweet potato here, and kumara, so the color here of the kumara, and the sardine here. This is the stuffing of the samosa. Then we are going also to have the soup is mushroom consommé, is coffee style. This coffee is beef consommé, but I'm going to do mushroom consommé served with the mushroom and egg custard. Egg custard also from this coffee. It's typical of this menu. This is the second menu. Then the third menu, I'm going to do the minced beef and the spinach gishlora served with the kumara fries. Then we go back to the other menu as for main course. We're going to do beef bourguignon. Yeah. Beef bourguignon. Okay, wash all this. Then the dessert we are going to have some ice cream. Wash this thing, please, and prepare. Now we are going to go through the samosa. Samosa is South Asia, like in Malaysia, Singapore, it's original from India. But mostly the stuffing is carried with potato, either chicken or something. Traditional samosa. But what I have in the kitchen, I have some sweet potato here. I have kumara, I have some sardine. The amuse bouche, always that you have in the kitchen, you have to do something nice clear. I'm going here to add some curry powder. I prepared the curry powder, it's mixed spices, 5 spices. Masala, the ginger, the garlic, everything on. For the taste. Then I'm going to start my samosa and I'm going to fry something. Yeah, and I'm going to serve it. It will be some balanced. We have to give the portion smaller because there are a lot of starch. Because the guys ask this, I'm going to taste. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. I understand. And I can have it. Good. Some salt. For the salt. I see some samosa here in Malaysia, Singapore. They do with sweet potato, they do with sardine, they do with egg. That's what I have in the kitchen. Okay, we are going to start our samosa making. Our dough here, as I explained to you, is a flour, only flour, 250 grams, 50 ml of oil, simple oil, vegetable oil or something, with either some melted ghee, then the water, then you salt, then mix up together. They're going to start here slowly. Some they're doing with other skin, with the pastry skin, one of you. But rather samosa is do it with your own home, made your pastry, yeah. Simple one. Okay, here we go. I don't make it so big because I don't want to press more. If I press more, it becomes more bigger. Now, then cut it to two, right here. Here for one piece here, one piece here. It's going to be a little big, but I try to. I'm going to do my filling here. I don't want to do so big. I don't want to do so big. I think it's so big, but I try to make it smaller next time. Okay, I'm going to put it here for the back. I'm going to want this one. I will make it smaller. This one I make it smaller here. Cut it here. Then get it more smaller. This is what I want. I'm going to fill up here. So I want it just nice, simple, small. This means the guest can have one to bite. This one beautifully made. I got the other one. I try to make around the 3 pieces. And follow up also the soup of mushroom consommé served with egg custard is Scottish style. This is going to be interesting. Then we go back to the main course. Is minced beef and spinach gishloa. Minced beef and spinach gishloa. You can put water normal, and some water or egg yolk or something. Samosa, so you can serve with the mint sauce, you can serve with the raita, you can serve with the chili sauce, you can serve with some you make like a mint sauce, like chop the meat. So I will make sure it's crispy. Then we go back to this one. I cut it smaller because I put it here. Here. Actually, I see my in the chair before. You put it here like this. Is it? And we start with this. Then. There we go. Okay, we are in Saturday. We try to record it on this. some like that. This one big, you can see the market. So you don't save to the gas, because you have to save only the small one here. Yeah. Then we try in the mushroom consomme. We have to work step by step. Firstly, we are going to prepare the vegetable stock. We are going to prepare our onion, our carrot, our celery, especially the onion and carrot. We are going to roast it, burn it. Then we put it with the celery, water, salt, pepper. Then we put it some crushed shallot and crushed garlic, and we leave it to boil overnight, maybe around 10 hours. Small fire to get the stock. Then when we finish the stock, from this we are going to go to the consomme. Is min مقدار البول. Okay, my second smaller will be. Then with the egg custard. This is more is related to Escoffier books. We are getting some chef they add cream to the consomme shortener, but that's depend of I will develop with the more heavy coconut cream. Let's watch this. Our samosa gonna be our serious okay. Our samosa here served with jelly bean sauce we prepare. You can follow our receipt. Follow yours and subscribe please to our menu and you will get the other four menu. Mushroom consomme with egg custard, dish flora of minced beef and spinach and mushroom, and beef bourguignon. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.